you guys are here. Hi. Hey guys, so what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ashita Agarwal, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notified every time I update something. This video is something special, guys, because there's a giveaway contest in this video. So you just have to do is watch this video till the end, and I'm gonna tell you the entire detail. Ask one thing that I love in beauty products, that is one thing will be I cannot go or live without, that will be lip shades, lipsticks, big time, right? It's Faces Canada's lipstick, newly launched lip shades, and here is an amazing announcement, you guys. So there's a giveaway alert on this video, guys. You have to just keep watching until the end of this video. And today a detailed honest review on Faces Canada newly launched no transfer matte lip shades. Here is the box. They have sent this gorgeous pouch. Look at how this is so amazing and so chic. I'll show you what's all inside. There are 4 beautiful shades. Here it is. Look at the packaging, you guys. They have sent me. I love the packaging because it is so classic and looks so luxurious. And here are the 4 lip shades that they have sent me in their PR. Now the packaging looks like these are clear glass bottles with a golden cover cap, and the spatula is very consistent, no smudge, waterproof, also chemical free, paraben free, highly pigmented. Posted a color, lip shade color over here with the name and the color shade number over here. The best part about it, when you are selecting lip shades, you don't have to completely open it and look. It is very easy to find through the cover itself. It's infused with chamomile oil. It is no paraben, no chemical. It is chemical free. Also at the lipstick, it is so classic with a golden cap and a glass bottle, glass clear bottle. You can apply your lip shade. It is very sleek. Let's jump onto pricing. Priced at $4.99 only, and at the of 2021, $4.99 is very reasonable. I think it is very reasonable when you are getting the color, quality, consistency and pigmentation. Then I think the best part is when you get all things at one, and in fact at a great price. Newly launched collection is available at 12 beautiful shades. I have 4 shades that, and let's see if it is smudge free or not, and let's see it is pigmented or not. The first shade that I'm gonna try is Trickster 08. Here is the shade. This is how the packaging looks like. So I have moisturized my lip. Okay, application is very smooth. So after using this, I can say that you have to layer up at least 2 coats to get the perfect dark shade or even out color. Because you cannot overlap or do this, because it will immediately transfer the upper lip color to the down one. It is still wet and I'm waiting it to dry up, but the color is so delicious. It looks so good, and I love this shade. It is very new. The color took hardly 2 seconds to dry up, and it is dry right now. It looks so amazing. It completely goes with this look. It has very mild fragrance in it. It is not highly perfumed and highly matte. It's okay. 2, I'll say slightly less. It is pigmented, not highly pigmented. I don't know about the rest shades, but this is pigmented, not highly pigmented. But this is good, and it shouldn't, light color shouldn't be highly pigmented. It won't look good at all. Let's test smudge free or transfer proof or not. So this is a clean cotton pad that I took in front of you guys, and yes, it is transfer proof. They claim it right. Here is a small tip for every beauty lovers out there. If you go on highly intensive matte color shades, any lip shades that is highly matte or super matte, please moisturize your lips very well, because matte colors or any brand, any product can dry your lips out it can highly dry your lips out, so moisturize it well. And so like a February month in my lip, and it can go with whites, pastel colors, it will go with any pastels or whitish colors, it can even go on the dark shades. So this is, let's try out the dark color. The light color was easy to apply, easy to remove, easy to dry, and it was also transfer proof. Let's see Momo Queen 01, and this is how this color looks. Dark color also promises and claims out the results also. This color is actually highly pigmented. This is more consistent and more highly pigmented. I can see that because I just applied one layer of the lipstick. One swipe of the spatula and the whole color covered my lip, and it is giving the right shape, and it is covering my lips, hugging my lips in the right place. Definitely just wanna rave about color shades. The color shades are very different. It is not reddish, not pinkish. It is very different than normal reddish and pinkish colors. Claims to be purely matte, and it seems to be that I love matte colors more than glittery or shimmery lip shades or creamy ones. Go-to colors, and this Momo Queen color can go with your all traditionals and fusion wears. Now I will remove it in front of you guys so that you can know whether it is easy to remove or not, because one drawback that I found in this lip shade, it is not a huge drawback, but it is a very tiny one, that it takes, dark colors takes a longer time to be removed even by the makeup remover. So I'll show it to you guys how. So I'm taking my microfiber makeup removal cloth and this Garnier Micellar water, because this combination is best and works best for me. I'm taking a good amount in here and just because I took a lot of amount of makeup removal and a microfiber cloth, so this came off little bit easily as I thought it would. This one will be my favorite shade. Filter Freak, it is the name of this shade, and this the colors so much. It is middle of downish, almondish color, and it is so good. So this is how the lip shade looks like, that is Filter Freak, and this lip shade is a little bit thicker than as compared to other lip shades, so it is taking a little more time to dry out, and I think it is dry now. It took almost 15 to 30 seconds to dry out this lip shade, and I applied just one layer, that's it. But I am dying for this color. This is so amazing. This color is my color, and it is not exactly brown, but it is near to brown. So I think it is waterproof also, but let's test this one. So I have a glass of water and I'm gonna just check it. So I just had a sip from this glass and there is no trace of my lip on it. This is actually transfer proof and waterproof. I hate it when I go to parties and you are wearing a dark lip shade and you're having a sip of water or a tea and you have a trace mark over the tea cup in any guest place or any stranger's place. That doesn't look good at all. If it is easy to remove or not, because the last time I applied this one and I tried to remove it, it was a hell lot of job. It was not coming out easily. I have to put a lot of pressure on the cloth to to remove the lip shade. It is not coming off easily. This one is not. rub my lip a lot because it is thicker lip shade and I just applied one coat. Imagine. Still not coming out. Okay, my lips are in trouble and it's swelled because I did this video twice, also recorded for Instagram. Last but not least shade that I have from their collection is Wonderbug, that is 04, and this is how this looks. It is not exactly red, but the red you are gonna love it. Just so sexy. This color is so bold and bright. I just love it. This is the perfect red anyone should have, must have red in their wardrobe because this shade is not too dark, not too light. It is perfect red. I would like to say that this color will go best with the blacks and your bright shades, dark blue, royal blues, and it will go best with all the bright and dark shades. I came up to the conclusion that I love it. The results are exactly same as they claim it to be. The best part about any product is that they claim it and they prove it right. If you like more swatch videos or any particular brand review, do comment down below. I will come up with that video for you guys. It took a lot of hours. It just looks so easy to shoot a swatch video, but my lips are swollen. Literally just think before sleeping this is gonna burn or while eating because it is all rashy. I have to remove it twice, remove the lip shades again and again just to shoot one video. Okay, so it takes hours to edit and shoot this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. It will absolutely mean everything to me. Detailed giveaway rules is mentioned in the description box. Don't forget to go through it. We are coming to the end of the video. I am disclosing what I'm gonna give you in this giveaway hamper. So this is it. This is the beautiful gift that you're gonna receive if you are the winner. So this is a iKEL smart watch. This beautiful gorgeous watch, guys. It is so handy and it is amazing when you're working out in a gym or you're running. This will be very helpful because it is completely digital and the winners will be announced in the next video. So here we come to an end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope this review was intense, deep and honest for you guys. Until then, I love you guys so much. Please take care of yourself, sanitize your hands. Meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.